Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be attaching our top plate to our bottom plate. Before we attach our two pieces together, we first want to arrange it so that it is centered and we have that nice margin that's equal all the way around our project. Next, I'm just going to put a few really light pencil marks so that I know where the corner of my top piece goes. At this point, we want to flip our top plate over and apply a pretty good amount of glue to the bottom of it, and we want to do this along the entire bottom. After that glue has been applied, we're going to flip it back over and line it up with our marks. Next, we're going to run a screw through one of those holes that we previously drilled. And one on the other side as well. Now these two screws at either end are going to maintain downward pressure. And now what we're going to do is flip it over. Once we've flipped it over, we're going to add just a few more screws, and this is just going to help hold everything together. Now these screws will be removed later, so it's okay if they're sticking out just a little bit.